Hey, what's up guys? Hope you guys had an awesome Thanksgiving weekend, and we are now here at Cyber Monday. Black Friday just finished up. I know there's been a ton of awesome deals that have been going on. On my website, I've been tracking all the different deals as they pop up when old ones get discontinued and expired, and now that Cyber Monday is here, I've also been seeing some deals that are available now that are even better than what we had on Black Friday. And in this video, I want to give you guys a quick summary as far as all the best deals that I'm seeing now for Cyber Monday. And down in the video description, I'm also going to have a link to all the different products and coupon codes and all the stuff that you need. That'll all be down there as well. So starting right off, the Escort Max 360, this one is no longer available for the discount. It was $399 for Black Friday. It's now back up to $499 on Amazon and on Escort's website. However, for another $100 now, you can get the Max 360C. This is the updated version with Wi-Fi built in for automatic updates, a little bit smaller, different design and whatnot. So for those of you guys who want the Wi-Fi, the 360C is now discounted. Additionally, for you guys who want the Escort M1 dash cam that clips onto the side of your radar detector, if you're getting one of the newer Escort detectors, you can actually bundle the M1, and they're doing it for 25% off for Cyber Monday. Use the coupon code BLACKBUNDLE for that. Now, as far as the Uniden detectors, we had the Uniden R1, the Best Buy edition, the one that was the same exact detector, but they've simplified or removed some of the accessories. That one was available now for $199 for Black Friday, down from $279. Normally, R1 is $299, simplified version $279, Black Friday $199. Anyway, now it's actually dropped down to $189. So for those of you guys who want the lowest price possible on an R1 and you don't necessarily need a carrying case and some of the accessories, that's available now as well. I know a lot of you guys have been asking about Uniden R3 deals. There was one that actually popped up during Black Friday, and I had that posted on my website. That deal is now expired. However, if you want an R3 at a discount, you can actually get a refurbished R3 with still a warranty and return policy and all that kind of stuff, manufacturer refurbished. That's available for $299, so $100 off the price of the R3. For those of you guys who want a Uniden DFR7, there's actually a really good deal on this one where you can get it now for $129. $130, which is awesome. Rakatan has it available on sale on their website. And then if you use the coupon code CYBER20, it takes another 20% off, and it brings you down to $130 for the DFR7, which is kind of an amazing deal for that detector. It's being replaced, of course, by the DFR8 and DFR9. But this one is the same platform and whatnot, just some extra bells and whistles and an updated case and whatnot. But if you guys are looking for GPS lockouts at an affordable price, DFR7 at $130 is kind of an amazing deal. If you want automatic GPS lockouts instead of manual, having to hit the button, you want the detector to learn them for you, Escort has the iX, the original iX. That's on sale for Cyber Monday for $100 off. That one is $299, so a little more than twice the price of the DFR7, but if you want the auto lockouts and you want Bluetooth built in as well, the iX is available now from Escort for $100 off. For those of you guys wanting a blend mount for your radar detector, for Black Friday and Cyber Monday, they have that available for 15% off. Speaking of blend mount, a lot of you guys have been asking me if you can attach both a radar detector and a dash cam to the blend mount. I'm not seeing a good way to do that. The only thing that I've seen is some people are actually doing two blend mounts, one for the radar detector and one for the dash cam. So for those of you guys that really want that, well, you can get one on Black Friday or Cyber Monday, I guess, and save a little bit of cash, because I know it's a little bit pricey, especially for getting two of them, so that's a way to save some cash. As far as laser jammers, we're still seeing the same deal available for the TMGs. If you use the coupon code BLACKFRIDAY50, that'll save you $50 off a set of duals and $50 off each additional head. If you want a set of quads, Black Friday 70 will save you $70 off the set of quads. Now, as far as dash cam deals, I've personally been keeping an eye out for the DR900S because it's the one that I love myself, I run, and I'm always recommending to you guys. There's been a number of places that have been making that one available on sale. The dash cam store has it for 20% off. Black Box My Car has it available for 20% off. Plus they have some discount codes for an additional 10, 15, 20 bucks off and whatnot. Sometimes the codes do expire and whatnot, so make sure you take a look either in the video description or on my website for the latest codes to save the most amount of cash. But the best deals that I'm actually seeing are actually on Amazon. For $363, you can get the DR900S 2-channel plus the Power Magic Pro for your parked recording capabilities. No coupon codes or anything like that required. You just go and buy it, and there it is. It would be a good idea, of course, to get a large memory card. I would recommend a dash cam specific, maybe 128 gig card. There's a lot of good ones that are available now, and I'll link to those as well. For those of you guys who want a dedicated dash cam battery pack instead of running off of your car battery for parked recording, the BlackVue B124, it's $50 off for Cyber Monday. There's also the latest Street Guardian dash cam, the SG9663DC. The Street Guardian, for those of you guys not familiar with them, they're known for making really reliable dash cams backed with awesome customer service. And so if you're looking for something solid, you don't necessarily need a ton of bells and whistles, but you want a good, reliable dash cam, that's a good option for you. Overall, some of the best deals that I'm seeing are on Blackbox My Card, just because they have it both discounted and there's additional coupon codes you can stack on top of it to bring the price down even further. So there's a bunch of deals on DR900S, DR750S, ThinkWare F800 Pro, etc. That's all there. And then finally, as far as the stuff on Amazon, I'm not seeing a ton of great dash cam deals. Most of the stuff there, it's kind of cheapy, no-name dash cams, but every now and then you find something nice. So you can always go take a look there and find something, especially kind of in like the $100 or sub $100 price point. There's some options that pop up there from time to time. So other than that, those are some of the best deals that I'm seeing. Again, I'm keeping all this stuff updated on my website as I get more information. And a big thanks to you guys for letting me know whenever you see something awesome available on sale. A lot of times I'll just go and update the website, and I'm using a lot of the information that you guys have shared to share here on YouTube as well. So thanks to you guys for sharing the information with me, and hopefully this information is helpful for all of you guys as well. So thanks so much for watching. Hope you guys found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.